Also, compassion say, vows no, I want Susan so, so you'll be canna when do vows no so, I will in Susan Swana.
Yeah, and only a no. Yeah, and only a net, and only a na, or how near mania, high. Now, me pese, you're making control. Hi, making control, Kakrana, ya compare the Kakra or question or be sound.
Also, compassion say, vows no, I want Susan so, so you'll be canna when do vows no so, I will in Susan Swana.
Yeah, and only a no. Yeah, and only a net, and only a na, or how near mania, high. Now, me pese, you're making control. Hi, making control, Kakrana, ya compare the Kakra or question or be sound. You share, Joshua chapter 9. You can one number for you can free one number Kakra. Joshua chapter 9. You can run from Kakra, verse 1. You can make it video. So the be na yet to say ya can't some you cry really fee. Now we it can be a mobile for them was sort them now be a the output the can follow the anymore so do I be 1,000 Fabra say anyway now. Also
Near come.
In account. When you put so on Casa for wash it on bill. Tea. I could be 1,000. Sorry, your boy is some man. 1,000 you say we are not ushers number on next my bed. My bed no more. Do say on my bed this guy was hey, I'll see I was so say then they can't team anymore. I mean the J fans keke. We are best of the J fans keke. Joshua chapter 9 verse 1 no. Obi abet me akayamai. Joshua chapter 9.
Joshua chapter 9 verse 1.
Yeah, the Gibeonite.
Yeah.
And it came to pass when all the kings which were on the side of Jordan, in the hills and in the valleys and in the thick coasts of the great sea, over against Lebanon, and the Hittites and the Amorites and the Canaanites and the Perizzites and the Hivites and the Jebusites heard thereof. That
verse 3.
Okay. That they gathered themselves together to fight with Joshua and Israel with one accord. And when the inhabitants of Gibeon heard what Joshua had done unto Jericho, they said to Ai, they did work willingly, and went and made as if they had been ambassadors, and took old sacks upon their asses, and wine bottles, old and ranked, and bound up. Verse 5. And old shoes clouted upon their feet, and old garments upon them, and all the bread of their provision was dry and moldy. And they went unto Joshua unto the camp of Gilgal, and said unto him, and to the men of Israel, we be come from far country. Now therefore make ye a league with us. And the men of Israel said unto the Hivites, Peradventure ye dwell among us, and how shall we make league with you? And they said unto Joshua, we are thy servants. And Joshua said unto them, who are ye? And whence come ye? And they said unto him, from a very far country thy servants are come, because the name of the Lord thy God. For we have heard the fame of him, and all that he did in Egypt, and all that he did unto the two kings of Amorites, and were beyond Jordan, to Sihon, king of Heshbon, and to Og, king of Bashan, which was at Ashtaroth. Wherefore our elders and all inhabitants of our country spake to us, saying, Take victuals with you for the journey, and go to meet them. And they said unto them, We are your servants. Therefore, now make ye a league with us. Chapter 12. This our bread we took hot for our provision out of your house on the day we came forth to go with you. But now, behold, it is dry, and it is moldy. Verse 13. And these bottles of wine which we filled were new, and behold, they be rent. And these our garments and our shoes are become old by reason of a very long journey. 14. And the men took of their victuals and asked not counsel at the mouth of the Lord. And Joshua made peace with them, and made a league with them, and let them live. And the princes of the congregation swore unto them. And it came to pass that at the end of 3 days, after they had made a league with them, that they heard that they were in their neighbors, and they dwelt among them.
Asemi na ne se ambe se kan na enidie na yebon tofa a enim Israel for a omo free boshasa nkwasom ko boshasa asene so from Egypt to Canaan nti kwanu no yatiti bebre amanehu mu famu ene amaya bihia omode ntokwa ene se de nyame sigye omo free atamfo nsem ni nyina. Nti after Jericho on say AI no ne to ba bi omkokun ebia no Israel for din kunim nti ebra mo ben Gibeon foi sa Gibeon 90 kroni omaya omo ye Gibeon pro Gibeon for no sa ebusuako no omo te say Israel for no e be fire sas ne so omay bia so a Israel for masas so omo be pio bia wo ye madwesam no mbeku bia no bodi nkugu ara se mbom kwan mo makwa asubiem ana se mo ye madwe se ono mbeko a enti Gibeon for ya te na omo ye ntem omo suma spies ana se messengers se mo kuhia Israel for na mo no mo ya apam se de be ya surrender ya man saso tinititie mo no omo kuhia omo ben Gibeon Israel for na ben ho no mo kuhia Israel for asoma for no koi omuhia mo kobu nkotodwe no manim pa mo chewo omo se yesem ya temonka se de mo nyankopon ne ahode ne omo so mo ye Jericho mo ye o my way mo ye no making references na mo nko ne mo fra ene yen en se ye de pese no be ye he bia ye mam kwan mo ne nya apam ya so dua apam na mo me fa ya sase no so na ye de ye be som ye bia mo ko bia no ye be mo nko a ye be ko tua mam o kan wo nya abotre kan to so zano mo be ko tua ye no be tena so bi nti mam nkuye we are going to be your servant nti don't destroy us mon from san ka Gibeon ni bia ya accept say mo tumi na mo no esne ye ntimi ne mo nko nti ye be mo nko a no so mo free hin so we free chi to mo ba no o mo hye ko de ko fa pa no a ahura no mo hye ntade atete ye o mo fin a say obi o tu kwan afofo ma che ba o ken kan a ye kan o say na o mo pe o mo a say few bi no madu o ma sa so na ye ka ko si se Joshua ene o manity as because nkrofon ka say mo de ebe mo nko ebe som no ye ne mo nim tokwa ene mo nko no enye ntokwa na Israel for pen ti se mo ba ya so dwe dia ene nso ya te ase ene ene nko apam na omu wie no nti na Israel for apam se Israel ni nkum Gibeon ni nti sa apam na da ho Israel ni omu say Israel powerful when it comes to say mo de ebe so o mai bi ni Israel be ko a jisa wo nyankopon no nkan ho nti say sa na tie dia Israel ni bia enkum Gibeon for because ye no mo ya pam ye de se be so sa de na da ho na ada ho a o sa pam no da ho that covenant no da ho ko si se o mu ko dru Israel for Joshua di o manim o mu ko dru Bosha asase ne so no mu ko nya asase ni bi Joshua twitwa ma o mo tra so afa mu do mfuo na onso mo ba Gibeon for you I so mo ne boshe nti omo twitwa o mo asase ma o mo no afa mu I settle no ene ko ya ko si se Israel for no nti ahim asofo ne di o manim se leaders because abre no Moses de so ne na nsi bosha asase o hu de we no Joshua no ko nti afa yakọ ka se asɔfoɔ no the Levites no na edi ɔman no so nti afei kɔɛ Israelfoɔ no sɛ etimi kɔka sɛ Nyankopɔn enyi ɔhene ɛma wo as leader nti it take time na ansana Saul ebe ɔhene sɛ the enim story no Saul ewukɔ ɛna David aba na hwɛ akenka sɛm no yɛn kenkan Saul brɛ no so no saa apam da hɔ no yɛhwɛ de siye na yɛhwɛ sɛ sunsuaso bi wɔ apam bɔhyɛ no so saa vows na deɛ na yɛka na nti yɛhwɛ 2 Samuel 21 verse 1 2 3 hɔ baabi ba fam na yɛmpeke de bi hɔ
Afutuo,